In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a gauge chart in Google Sheets. A gauge chart is perfect when you want to show progress toward a goal with a single number, like completion percentage, budget used, or daily sales against a target. I'll walk you through the exact clicks and also share a few tips so your chart looks right the first time. Start by heading to Google in your browser. At the top right, click the grid-shaped Google Apps icon. This opens a panel with all your Google apps. Choose Sheets to open Google Sheets. Once you're in Sheets, open the spreadsheet where your data lives. If you're starting fresh, make sure your data includes a simple label and one numeric value, such as completion in one cell and 72 in the next. Gauge charts work best with a single metric. If you select lots of columns or multiple series, Sheets won't know which value to point the gauge at. Next, highlight your data. Click and drag to select the cells that include the label and the number you want to visualize. Keep your selection tight, just the label and the value, so the chart picks up the right series. Now go to the menu at the top and click Insert. From the drop-down, choose Chart. Google Sheets will insert a chart and open the chart editor on the right. Don't worry if the first chart type isn't what you want. We're about to change it. In the chart editor, look for Chart Type. Click the drop-down to open the full gallery. Scroll until you find the section labeled Others. In that section, locate the gauge chart. Click it, and your chart will instantly switch to a gauge. You should now see a semicircular dial with a needle pointing at your selected value. If something looks off, double-check your selection. You want one label and one number, without extra text or blank rows. If the gauge doesn't appear, make sure the highlighted cell with your value is truly numeric and not formatted as text. From here, you can move and resize the chart on your sheet by clicking and dragging. You can also fine-tune it in the chart editor if you'd like, things like minimum and maximum values or color ranges, so the needle reflects your scale accurately. Those adjustments are optional, but they can make your gauge more meaningful for your audience. That's it. You opened Sheets, selected your data, inserted a chart, switched the type, and you now have a clear visual gauge to track progress at a glance. Save your changes and you're ready to share or present.